This is our work site. This is where we're going to be for the next week. Keep watching us. You'll see some amazing stuff happening. We're going to get this cleaned out today. We got a client here, super nice that we're working with, but they showed their project last time based on price. So this is the waterfall they built. We gave them a price, and I'm now noticing that the person repurposed the old waterfall, those pieces in there, into holding up the edges. But this was what they got from the person. It doesn't run very well. Looks horrible. Nowhere to put any plants in. And it just looks like a mess. So we're going to take this apart and rebuild it. So we're going to work on getting all these small stones out. Leave some of these big ones, add in some of the ones we brought. Make a nice edge out of big stones compared to small ones so it doesn't look so choppy. I guess would be a good term. All this garbage coming out. We're getting all the grass through here ripped out because this is going to become a stepping stone pathway kind of thing. And we're getting the last couple trees out of here. Rebuilding this waterfall into this pond, and this is how you do not put together a spillway together. Here's their spill, here's all their connections, here's their bulkhead. Something's missing. Right, liner. They just put the liner underneath it. No purpose to have a bulkhead fitting if you don't even have anything on it. And guess what? If they ever got water backing up, it would just back right out the end. Shame on them. So I'm going to be moving some fish from the current home into a temporary one. So I've got 3 tanks. The pond chlorinator is going to go in. I've got a pump in each one as well as the aeration. I've got some aquatics that came out of the pond going in there. And these are the guys, they're big. Any other recommendations should I be thinking of? We're going to be careful with the move because these things are huge. Good progress. The place is pretty cleaned out. Got a lot of small stuff out. The waterfall, like 90% disassembled, doesn't look like it. The only thing we're left with is still rocking that because it's still dripping. So until we take that out and cap that temporarily, we kind of need that in there.